Good morning, students. Welcome to today's maths class. So, last day we started chapter 6, negative numbers and integers. So, our next topic is ordering of integers. For any two integers on a number line, first one, the integers on the right side are greater than the integers on the left side. Second one, the integers on the left side are smaller than the integers on the right side. So here we are taking two integers on a number line. Okay. Now first one, the integers on the right side are greater than the integers on the left side. So let us take one number line. And in that let us take the numbers 2 and 5. Okay, we are taking 2 and 5. Now we know that this is 2 and this is 5. Okay. So you can see in this number line, this number 5 lies on the right of 2. Okay. Here this is number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These numbers lies on the right side of 2. Okay, and 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. These numbers lies on the left side of 2. Okay, now here 5 and 2 we are taking. So number 5 lies on the right of 2. And we know that the integers on the right side are greater than the integers on the left side. Right side integers are greater than the integers on the left side. Okay, so integer 5, this 5 lies on the right of 2. So 5 is greater than 2. Okay. Similarly, we can take a 0 and minus 3. Okay, this is 0 and this is minus 3. Okay, so minus 3. 0 lies on the right of minus 3. 0, it is here. This is on the right side of minus 3. So what we can say? 0 is greater than minus 3. 0 is greater. The integers on the right is greater. Okay. Now 2 and minus 1. Let us take another 2 and minus 1. So this is 2. We know this is 2 and this is minus 1. Okay. So minus 2 lies on the right of minus 1. This is minus 1. Its right side. This will be its right side. So 2 lies on the right of minus 1. 2 minus 1 in the right side. So 2 will be greater than minus 1. The integers on the right are greater than the integers on the left. Okay. Now minus 4 and minus 3. Let us check. Minus 4, minus 3. These two numbers. Minus 4 and minus 3. Okay. So here you can see minus 4. This is to the left of minus 3. Minus 3 the left side minus 4. The integers on the left side are smaller than the integers on the right side. This is second point. Left side integers, right side integers smaller. So minus 3, minus 4. Minus 4 lies on the left side of minus 3. Minus 3 the left side minus 4. So minus 4 is less than minus 3. Minus 4 will be smaller than minus 3. Okay. Now let us take a minus 3 and 4. Minus 3. This number and 4. These two numbers we are taking. These two integers. Okay. So minus 3 lies on the left of 4. 4 in the left side minus 3. Okay. So what we can say? Minus 3 is less than 4. Since minus 3 lies on the left of 4, we can say minus 3 is less than 4 because the integers on the left are smaller than the integers on the right side. Left integers right integers smaller. Okay. So we conclude every positive integer is greater than 0. You can see in this number line all positive integers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. They lies to the right side of 0. Positive integers lies to the right side of 0. So positive integers, every positive integers is greater than 0. Second one, every positive integer is greater than every negative integer. Okay, so if we compare a positive integer with a negative integer, which one will be greater? Positive integer. And on the number line you can see every positive integer lies to the right side of every negative integer. Okay, എല്ലാ പോസിറ്റീവ് ഇൻറ്റിജേഴ്സും നെഗറ്റീവ് ഇൻറ്റിജേഴ്സിൻ്റെ റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിലാണ് വരുന്നത്. ദാറ്റ്സ് വൈ every positive integer is greater than every negative integer. Third one, 0 is greater than every negative integer and is less than every positive integer. 0, it is greater than negative integer and less than positive integer. Okay, positive integers lies to the right side of 0. Positive integers right side ilum, negative integers to the left side. So 0 will be greater than positive integer and less than negative integers. Okay, റൈറ്റിലുള്ള നമ്പേഴ്സിനേക്കാൾ സ്മോളറും ലെഫ്റ്റിലുള്ള നമ്പേഴ്സിനേക്കാൾ ബിഗ്ഗറും ആയിരിക്കും. Okay, 0 is smaller than every positive integer and greater than every negative integer. Now every negative integer is smaller than every positive integer. So if you are comparing negative integer and positive integer, a negative integer will be smaller than a positive integer. Okay. Next, the greater is an integer, the lesser is its negative or opposite. Let us take one example. We know that 10 is greater than 6. Okay. Comparing 10 and 6, 10 will be greater. But if we compare minus 10 and minus 6, okay, minus 10 will be less than minus 6. Okay. So, the greater is an integer, lesser is its negative. Okay, 10 is greater than 6, but in case of negative 10 and negative 6, negative 6 will be greater. Okay. Let us take another example, minus 20 and minus 30. Here what will come? On comparing minus 20 and minus 30, the sign here will be greater than sign. Okay, here comparing 20 and 30, 30 will be the greater number. But if we compare minus 20 and minus 30, minus 20 will be greater than minus 30. Okay, the greater the integer, the lesser will be its negative. Integer etra greater ആണെങ്കിലും അതിൻ്റെ negative, that will be lesser. Okay, let us take another example, 8 and minus 3. So we know that 8 is greater than minus 3. A positive number is greater than a negative number. But in case of minus 8 and positive 3, what will come? Minus 8 will be less than 3. Okay. On comparing negative integer and positive integer, a positive integer will be greater, or the greater the integer, lesser will be its negative. That also we can use here. 8 is greater, but negative 8, it will be lesser number. Okay. Now let us do exercise 6. First question, fill in the blanks. First one, negative of minus 20 is. Negative means opposite. Okay, opposite of minus 20 is positive 20. Okay, in this blank answer will be 20. That means positive 20. Okay. Second one, negative of 0. Negative of 0 is 0 itself. 0 has no negative actually. Okay, so negative of 0 is 0. Third one, negative of 8 is, it will be minus 8. Negative of 8 is minus 8. Opposite of 8. Positive 8 it is minus 8. Fourth one, if 10 represents gain of rupees 10, then minus 10 represents, we know that positive number represent profit and negative number represent loss. So here the answer will be loss of rupees 10. Okay, if 10 represent gain of rupees 10, then minus 10 represent loss of rupees 10. Fifth one, if going south is negative, then going north it is positive. Okay, going south it is negative and going north is positive. Sixth one, because 5 less than 7, therefore minus 5 dash minus 7. So we know that the greater the integer, lesser is its negative. Okay, 5 is less than 7, but minus 5 will be greater than minus 7. Okay, if two negative numbers means you can compare 5, it is less than 7, but minus 5 will be greater than minus 7. The greater the integer, lesser will be its negative. 7 is greater, but minus 7 will be lesser number. Okay. Now seventh one, if 3 greater than minus 2, then 3 is on the dash of minus 2. So here 3 is greater than minus 2. We know that greater number lies on the right of smaller number. Okay, on a number line, greater numbers lies on the right of smaller numbers. So 3 is greater, so 3 is on the right of minus 2. Now eighth one, if minus 8 less than minus 6, then minus 8 is on the dash of minus 6. So minus 8 less than minus 6. Minus 8 is the smaller number and minus 6 is the greater number. So we know that smaller number lies on the left of greater number. Smaller number എപ്പോഴും greater numberൻ്റെ left sideലാണ് ഉണ്ടാവുക. On a number line. ഒരു number line. Okay. So minus 8 is smaller here. So minus 8 is on the left of minus 6. Okay. Now second question. Use a number line to write the following integers in ascending or increasing order. First one, minus 5, 8, 0, minus 9, 4, minus 14 and 12. Okay. So you have to draw a number line here. Then you have to arrange the following integers in ascending order. Okay. So in order to draw a number line, first draw a straight line like this. Okay. Now put arrow marks on both the ends. Both the ends of the number line, you have to mark arrows. Now at anywhere on the number line you can mark a point 0. Okay. Now take equal distances. At equal distances you can mark points on the number line. Okay. So I am taking 0.5 centimeter. This distance. Taking this distance I am marking the points. So here this is the first point. 0.5 centimeter distance. Next point, it should be 0.5 distances from this point. Okay. The distance between 2 points should be the same. That's why at equal distances you can mark points on the number line like this. To the left side of the 0 also, you can mark points at equal distances. Okay, here also I am taking 0.5 centimeter distance. Use scale and pencil for drawing number line. Don't use pen. To the right of 0, you can mark positive numbers starting from 1. Okay, this is 1, positive 1, this is 2, positive 3, positive 4, positive 5, positive 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, etc. Okay, to the left of 0, you can mark negative integers starting from minus 1. This is minus 1 and this point it is minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, now minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 15, etc. Okay. Now our first question is mark minus 5, 8, 0, minus 9, 4, minus 14 and 12 on this number line. Okay. So you can mark minus 5. You can see this is minus 5. You can put a small cross. Minus 5. You have to show minus 5 on the number line. That's why we are doing like this. Okay. Now 8. Positive 8 it is. So 8. You can see this is positive 8. Put a small cross. 0. Where is 0? Here. 0 is here. Okay. Now minus 9. So here is minus 9. Now positive 4. Here it is. Okay. Now minus 14. So minus 14 is here. This is minus 14. This point. Next positive 12. So that comes here. Okay. After this you have to arrange this in ascending order. Ascending order means you have to arrange the number from smallest to largest number. So which is the smallest number? You can start from left side. Okay, minus 14. This is the smallest number here. Minus 14 less than, next minus 9 less than, then minus 5 less than, then comes 0 less than, then after 0 4, 4 less than, then 8 less than 12. Okay, this is ascending order, arranging in ascending order using a number line. Okay. In that third one, use a number line to write the following integers in descending or decreasing order. First one, minus 10, 0, 3, minus 4, 12, 11, minus 1 and 5. So these numbers you have to mark on the number line first, then you have to arrange that in descending order. Okay. So first you can draw a straight line like this, then at anywhere on the number line you can mark a 0, then at equal distances you can mark the numbers, positive numbers to the right of 0 and negative numbers to the left of 0. Okay. After that minus 10. Where is minus 10? You can see here it is. This mark, this point is minus 10. So put a small cross. Okay. Next is 0. So 0 it is here. You can mark. Now 3. Positive 3. So 3 it is this point. Next minus 4. So minus 4 here it is. Now 12. Positive 12 it is. So here. Next 11. So this point is 11. Now minus 1. So minus 1 it is this point. Now 5. It is positive 5. So this point. Now you have to arrange this in descending order. Descending order means from the largest number you have to arrange from the largest number to smallest number. Okay, so here largest number it is 12. You can see in this number line 12. You can start from the right end. So 12 greater than, use greater than symbol. Okay, while arranging in descending order use greater than symbol. While arranging in ascending order use less than symbol. Okay, so 12 greater than, next number it is 11 greater than, then 5 greater than, then it is 3 greater than, then 0 greater than, minus 1 greater than, minus 4 greater than, minus 10. Okay, this is using number line to arrange the numbers in descending or decreasing order. Okay. Now exercise 6, second question second one and third question second one you can do as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.